everybody, and welcome to Bunky's Workshop. I am Bunky, and today I am bringing you an unboxing. This is something that I've seen on YouTube through performance reviews. He has demonstrated this a couple of times, and I really liked it and thought it was fun and wanted to get one. And just when I was ready to do it, I asked him, where is it? I can't find it online. And he said that they just came out with the new model and told me where to find it. So I found it and ordered it. So here it is. And I must tell the truth. I already did this once, and the video was horrible. There was no way I was going to send that out to you guys. That would have been embarrassing. You deserve better. So I kind of repackaged it a little bit, and we'll do this again for you. But hopefully I do a better job this time. We had a lot going on. One, we have a new puppy. She's running around like crazy. And two, we have a company here that's redoing our property. And between knocking on the door and the phone going and with all the equipment running around and moving cars and stuff, it just became too much, and I really did a horrible job. So here we go again. We're going to do the unboxing as best I can again. But let me move a little closer so you can kind of see as I bring this out. And you'll know as soon as I bring this first part out what this is. But what do you see first? It's a 0G vacuum. And the original one, I believe, was white. So the color of this is different. And like I said, I did already unpack this once before. So it has a bag in it. I'll show you all that as we go. So the difference that I have here in bags is it came with a demo bag in it. And that's what's in it right now. No, it is not. What I put in it is one of these bags. This is the 0G antibacterial silver micron bag, which actually has like the rubber gasket on it. The demo bag is a paper bag, and it doesn't have a gasket. It does not seal. But anyway, so the machine came with one demo bag, and then 12 of these micro bags, as they call it, the antibacterial silver micron bags. So 2 packs of these, 2 6-packs of these, which was 12. And then it came with, so there's 6, here's another 6, that's 12. And then it came with, what is in here? Looks like 3 regular paper bags. And this is, and it says demo on here as well. So as you can see on there at the bottom, demo. And see, there's no seal. It's just a regular, plain, cheap paper bag. So anyways, here we go. I can put that back in its little box. Here's the one hose it came with. So it has the on and off switch, and there's the puppy in my way. On-off switch for the power head to turn it on and off. And of course it does swivel, so it doesn't tangle up on you. And it's a silver gray, very nice length. And at the one end, you can see it's in black and yellow, but it has the cord to connect it for the power head for power. And then here it shows you a yellow arrow. And that shows you, and I'll show you that later on though, how that connects where you just line up the 2 arrows. Okay, so there's the hose. It does come with a electric power nozzle, mini nozzle if you will, to do your upholsteries, stairs, your car, whatever. This thing's got some weight to it, and I'm loving the color. Now the original 0G was in white, I believe. This is in like a silver metallic. It's beautiful. But there's your mini power head. Here is the main unit. And let me back up so you can see the whole thing. You have a really nice cord on here. It's very well made. This is quality. And it's in like a gray. On the back here, I guess I should bring this a little closer so you can see. But here on the back is your on-off switch. Right here is your bag full indicator. The handle is here and it's in purple. And of course on the front here is where your nozzle connects in. And here's that arrow I was telling you about. So it says to connect your nozzle in here. And then of course here is to release it. And as you see, I have the Micron bag already in there. Okay, and then here is your cloth bag in there, and underneath this is a regular filter and a charcoal filter. So that is nice. And with this lid, what is nice, it doesn't slam down. If you push it just a tiny bit, it clicks and it stays open for you, and notice it's sealed. These bags, well, I'll take it off, has that rubber gasket right there on there. See it? It's a rubber gasket. So that's nice. And the other thing is, on the left and right and down here at the bottom, has like a little tiny flange, if you will, or something, tab, so that it only goes in one way. There you go. Down here, that's where you plug in the electric for your power head. Underneath, here's your exhaust that goes around the edges and here so that it floats. Up front, you have a nice wheel that has rubber on it, and you also have one in the back. Okay? This thing does feel very, and if you can kind of see the color, it's like a metallic silver. And then the handle on the top and this bumper is in purple. Okay? There we go. So let me back up for you. See, there you got that. And I will connect the nozzle. Remember, you take the yellow arrow, match up the yellow arrow, and it goes in. Nice click, and you connect up your power underneath for your power head, which is a very nice connection. Now the power head, which I have over here. And we'll go through that. So here's the power head and wand, and I'll show you the wand first, I guess. Let me see how I can get this thing off. There we go. Okay. The wand is very well built, telescoping. Okay. So there's your button for telescoping. Your button to release the nozzle, which is here. Okay. So I'll put that together. Nice good click. Let's go over this power head. So, power head is also in that silver. It's beautiful. You got this rubber pad here that you put your foot on so that you can lower this down so you can use it. Okay. You got window on left and right so you can see inside what's going on. Okay. Up front is this gate. That is your suction control. Okay. The downside is no headlight. I was kind of disappointed that there was no headlight on here. For some reason I thought there was a headlight. But this is your control for your suction control. Okay. Underneath is the chevron. Very nice brush rolls. They're on the stiff side. But look at that wide opening in there. That will allow a lot of dirt to get in there. The wheels, a wheel here and a wheel here with rubber, so it won't harm your hardwood floors or delicate floors. In the back, two huge wheels with rubber. Okay. And it does go left and right, articulate, so that you can go around things and go under things. I do wish it would have had a headlight. That would have been nice. So, put this in. There we go. Does stand on its own. Okay, and now I'm going to go through the accessories that it came with. Okay, came with this mesh bag. Came with a plastic telescoping wand. Okay, so I'm assuming what this is for, really. You don't have to use this wand, this hose. Okay, the electric hose, you just pop in it because it does come with another hose. So one telescoping plastic wand, one non-electric hose. Okay. It also has the arrow telling you where to connect it, and it swivels. You got the handheld part. It swivels. On top, you have your suction control. Okay. So there you go, a non-electric hose. Now you have your standard floor/carpet nozzle, metal base plate, litter pickers, and of course your button here to raise and lower your brushes. Parquet floor nozzle with really nice brushes, and you have a rubber wheel on each side. Okay. A 2-in-1, you got your upholstery tool with the brush, and they slide together. We've all seen that before. And your standard crevice tool. One turbo nozzle. Okay, standard, yep. And then furniture brush. Okay, now these bristles are really soft. So I don't know if they're horsehair or not, but it's very soft. And then you got a Velcro strap. That's for your cord. Okay, and of course this mesh bag came with it. There's another thing that I found out about the vacuum. No cord rewind. So either take the cord and bundle it up and attach it to the vacuum, or you take the hose, disconnect the hose, and wrap the cord around the vacuum. But there is no automatic cord rewind or nothing fancy like that. It's the cord is there, you use it. When you're done, you bundle it up, and you either use this Velcro strap and Velcro it together and attach it to the vacuum, or leave it undone. So right now, I wish the power brush would have had a headlight. That would have been nice, and some way to take care of the cord. That would have been nice. Number 3 is they do give you the switch to turn the power head on and off. Why don't they have a switch up here to turn the main vacuum on and off? They give you this tiny itsy bitsy little switch back here, toggle switch, to turn it on and off. But you actually have to either try to get your toe to turn it on and off, or bend over. It would have been very convenient if they would have had the switch up here, so you just grab your handle, recline it back, turn it on, do what you got to do. If you get to a area rug or your bathroom or kitchen, whatever, you can use the switch, turn off the power head, do that, and keep on going. So I think there's some ways they can improve the vacuum. Headlight on the power nozzle, switch on the handle to turn the vacuum on and off, and some way of taking care of the cord. Okay? Anyways, let me fire this thing up for you and let you see how it goes. Okay. So what I was pointing at was the light. So when the power head is turned on, that light also turns on. Let me get you some crunchies to vacuum up. Okay, let's back this thing up a little and put down some, this is rice. We're going to see how well it does with some rice. Okay. Get some dog toys out of the way. And let's pick up some rice. Not bad. Not bad. So I see 2 grains of rice left behind. Other than that, it did a very good job. It looks like it grooms the carpet very well. This is a very low pile carpet. So anyway, let's vacuum up the rest. This is Gidget, our new puppy. So trying to eat my rice. Not bad at all. So I'm assuming that this extra hose and wand is so you don't have to disconnect and reconnect. I'm kind of wondering, this is kind of weird, but can you connect this? Yes, you can. Now that is nice. So think about this, people. The non-electric hose connects to the electric hose, which then gives you twice the length so that you can like go up and down steps, or if you're outside cleaning in your car, whatever you need to do. Your main vacuum can sit still and you can go so far. Look at all that hose. Huh. That is really nice. That is a good idea. So, wow, that is nice. Now look at this. The non-electric hose is angled, just like you would see on a Henry or pneumatic or something like that. I don't know if I showed you the electric power nozzle on here or not, but in case I didn't, here you go. So, there you go. So you have, let's see if I can get this here for you. The 0G main unit, the 0G power head, telescoping wand. All right, Gidget, move on. She's definitely not afraid of a vacuum. The electric 0G power hose, okay. The 0G non-electric power hose. The mini power head. Let's see, the mini power head. The non-electric plastic telescoping wand. The mini turbo brush, upholstery tool and brush combo, furniture brush with soft bristles, regular crevice tool, parquet nozzle, rubber wheels, one on each end and soft bristles, and a standard floor nozzle, metal base, litter pickers, and of course the button to put down the brushes and retract them. Mesh bag, a Velcro band. Ooh, tickles on my leg. Velcro band for your wire, cord, or cable as some of you call it, for the main unit. And then of course a whole mess of your bags. 12 of the antibacterial silver micron bags, 3 of the standard paper bags that they gave, and there you go. I think that's all of it, which I think is a lot. And a puppy to go. Right, Gidget? Good girl. She's a good girl. She learns so fast from 4 months old. She's a sweetheart. Anyways, thank you so much for coming along with this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really did enjoy it and you like seeing these videos, maybe think about subscribing. Or, if you really like the video, give it that wonderful thumbs up. And also, don't forget to ring that bell so that each and every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And again, thank you for coming along. I'll talk to you soon on the next video, and have a good day.